Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Madison C. Iowa channel. I have been sicker than a dog for a while, and I am trying some new home remedies. I was out of my home remedies when I got sick, so I wasn't able to stay on top of it, and it really took hold. So I found a pineapple cough syrup recipe. It has 100% pure pineapple juice, no additives or sweeteners, a quarter cup of lemon juice. You can use bottled, it says. About a 3-inch piece of ginger peeled, raw honey, and cayenne pepper. I haven't located my cayenne pepper yet. I'm making a double batch. Okay, I got my pineapple juice in there. Here's my lemon juice. Okay, I've kind of roughly chunked up my ginger. Gone ahead and got it all blended up. And one dose is a quarter cup. I'm gonna go ahead and use my measuring cup since it's already dirty and I don't have to do any more dishes. I could have blended a little more, I think, but let's give it a try. Well, it doesn't taste bad. It tastes kind of good, actually. Let me give it another taste. I can really taste the ginger. It actually tastes pretty good. It's a little spicy. I can't taste the cayenne, but I get the heat in the back of my throat from the cayenne. Or maybe it's the ginger, I'm not really sure. This is unusual. I can't say I dislike it. The dose is a quarter cup, 2 to 3 times a day. I will leave the exact recipe below in the description because I'm sure I probably wasn't that clear. And I'll let you know if it helps me. But I would say blend it up better than I did. I'll probably stick it on the blender again. Okay, it's been about an hour since I tried my pineapple juice concoction. And I don't know if you can tell or not, but my voice to me sounds better. I'm not struggling near as hard to speak. I don't have to force as much air through to make a sound. Let me tell you what else I've noticed. Shortly right after I drank that quarter cup, I started coughing, and it was a very productive cough, and it didn't last very long. It was like 30 seconds and it was over. I blew my nose and I could breathe through my nose again. I still can. I don't know if you can hear that. I can take a deep breath without coughing. It feels good. But what I noticed is my ear canals really warm and my ears popped. I have been having trouble ever since I bruised the top bone of my spine back in August. When I cough, it shoots pain up my neck and into the muscles in my head, in the back of my head and in the sides. Well, my scalp felt like it was tingling, and all the pain on the right side is gone. And in the right side of my neck, I have a little bit of pain still left in the left side. But it's better. I cannot tell you how much relief I've already gotten from this. Now, I have coughed during this hour, but it's more like cough, cough, and I'm done. It's not cough, 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 breathe, cough, 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 breathe, cough, cough. You get the idea. And so on and so forth. It's not a coughing hack that won't stop like I've been having. I feel so much better. This is a keeper. Oh, my eyelids. The swelling in my eyelids went away too. I'm extremely excited about this. I hope if you try this, I hope it works as well for you. One thing I would say is to definitely grind that up really well in the blender, because the ginger has little hair-like fibers, and if you don't get them ground up, for me it kind of reminded me like I was getting a hair in my mouth, even though it was just ginger. I did blend it up a couple of times. I think I got that taken care of now. And I just wanted to share with you how well it's already working for me. I think I'm going to get a good night's sleep tonight. I'm very excited. Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.